If you want to take a scrolling screenshot on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is, first of all, you can open an app or a website where you can scroll. So in my case, I'm using this Google News page. Now, in here, you can capture the full screenshot. So you can use, for example, the volume up button and the side button at the same time in order to capture the screenshot. And if you see the preview in the bottom left corner of the screen, then you can tap in order to open these editing tools. Over here, you should be able to switch from screen to full page. So then, as you can see, we have the full preview of the whole page. And once you are done with the customizing, of course, you can still crop if you want to by using this button over here. But once you are done, we can tap on this check in the upper right corner. And then, for example, we can save PDF to files. In this case, we actually have to save as a PDF. And I'm gonna save it on my iPhone. And there we go. So now if I go to files, I should be able to find my long screenshot. There we go. In this case, it is actually a PDF, as I mentioned, because, well, I guess due to the size of it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.